Welcome. If you're looking to enable experience chat on Roblox Web for your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In just a few steps, you'll be able to chat with everyone in your favorite Roblox experiences. Let's get started. First, open up Roblox in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're on the home page so you can access all the settings you need. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. Click on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account's main settings page. Now, on the left side, find and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Here's where you'll manage who you can communicate with and how chat works in your games. Scroll down until you see the Communications section. Under this, you'll spot Experience. Click on it to open up the Experience Chat options. Under the Experience Chat setting, you'll see a few different choices. To enable chatting with everyone, select Everyone. This will let you send and receive messages with all players inside Roblox experiences, not just your friends or specific groups. And that's it. You've now enabled experience chat for everyone on Roblox Web using your PC. This update makes it easier than ever to connect with other players, join conversations, and make new friends while playing. If you ever want to change who can chat with you, just head back to these settings and adjust them as you like. Remember, for accounts under 13, there are extra chat filters and restrictions to help keep things safe. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. Enjoy chatting and have fun exploring Roblox.